welcome back. So the number one thing is sampling. Use beautiful mannequin heads to showcase your products, your hairs. If you don't have mannequin heads, you can borrow or you make yourself up, wear it and take a picture of the front sides and the back of the hair. You grade them and then you sample it. Be sure that the hairs you post are made by you. But if you deal in wigs and you are not a wig maker, and to avoid what I ordered versus what I got, please snap the hairs by yourself and then advertise.
Two is positioning. This one is you, the face behind the brand. That's who the customers want to see. To set your page, make it look real. You have to give your customer that first trust. You need to have a clear headshot of you as a profile picture. You can grade the pictures of your product, write the types and the price tags and use it as a cover photo. To achieve this, you can hire a graphic designer or you use the Canva ad or the Canva site to design. This attitude, be very polite. Don't be rude to your customer. And some of them are so unsure of what they really want. That's because they've seen other styles they admire. Some are like, send pictures of what you have. This means that they've either changed their minds from the one that brought them to you or they want to know styles, or they just want to test your attitude. And in this case, simply send the pictures of every sellable product you have together with prices. In fact, you never can tell who you are chatting with. So please be patient and polite. Give them options. And even if they don't buy from you that very moment, be polite and tell them you appreciate them for coming to you. But you hope they buy from you next time, your whole stress does not worth it. So politeness does not reduce your glory. It only speaks of your act.
Number 4 is readiness. Be intentionally ready. Engage yourself on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Make posts in hair groups. There are so many hair groups on Facebook. Search for them and join. Post on your status regularly. Do not relent. Increase your WhatsApp views so it can make more sales. Sales is a game of number. Post your reviews. Let it boost your prospective customers' morals. Also tell your friends to report for you and promise to reward them if somebody from them buys from you. This strategy also going to boost their morals. Reward those who post for you. Give bonuses to your customers. It can be a discount or a free one-time revamp of the hair. For customers from afar, you can add a little gift. This will make them come back a second time if only the hair was good. And most importantly, make sure you figure out your means of delivery. This is where many vendors lose. So it's up to you to know whether to do payments before delivery or payments after delivery. Number 5, have drop shippers. If you can have just have drop shippers from different locations. It can be the location in your state or other state. They can drop ship for you for fast sales. And list your products on Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is for all tangible products and it is very free. That's where I made most of my sales last year when I was into tangible products. On Facebook Marketplace, you meet ready to buy customers. I call it so because they are always ready to make purchase if they find you authentic. By the way, if you want me to record a video on how to sell on the marketplace, please comment below. At this point, please, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share to your friends. Share to your contacts. You may not know the person that is going to gain from it, but if you share it, it's going to be of help to us. So please share it, subscribe, and like my video. Now, number 6, run paid advertisement. Whether you own a shop or not, run paid advert. Paid adverts on Facebook and Instagram. This is the least stress-free converter. As a business owner, don't deal without running paid advertisements. And to avoid frustrations, run paid ads. Look friends, if you want to scale more online, you need marketing skills. You need to know the nitty-gritty of the whole online stuff. This is not only for tangible products, but also for every other business. For this reason, I have prepared 2 courses for you. The WhatsApp Mastery course and the Facebook and Instagram Profitable Ad course. So, to get this course, I'm going to drop the link in the comment section and in the description box. So you get there and
bye. See you in the next video.